Hey there, it's Cody with Lighthouse Contracting Group. We're in Moultonborough, New Hampshire at the Guest House Golf Simulator project. We're in our final push on this project. We've got the golf simulator, just got completely installed. The homeowner is on site for some training and testing today. They've been swinging golf balls in there all morning. We've got glass being installed in one of the bathrooms today. Painter working on spraying some millwork. We got the HVAC team getting ready to hook up the AC so that we can be cool this summer. We're hoping to get this one wrapped up for 4th of July. The homeowner's got a big 4th of July family party planned here. Getting towards the finish line, this is a really fun, high energy part of the project. There was a lot of planning, it can be a little bit stressful, did we get all the conduits in the right spaces? And then seeing the success of all the players on this project, everything's working the way that we planned, that is so rewarding. Seeing the homeowner in there using the golf simulator, smacking those golf balls, and everything's working, that's the greatest feeling. So this golf simulator, there was a lot of planning that went into it. One of the things that we played with was how are we gonna soundproof that room. So within the golf simulator, we have some extra additional drywall, some homeowner sound deadening material on the walls, so that within the guest home, the bedroom spaces, the sound from the golf simulator room is kind of separated. From day one framing, we had to map out where's the radar, where's the projector going. We've got a can light centered right over the putting area. So there's a lot of layout right from the rough-in on this project. And now we got into the finishing stages, the simulator's installed, and it's all working. Standing outside of this guest home, we've got Dunlap Excavation working together with Stevens Landscape. They're working on bringing up some of the subgrade here. This project's gonna get a full landscape, some hardscape, and outdoor barbecue area. They're gonna have some cool hammock hangout area down by the lake. We're gonna finish it up and be ready to party.